Today we are discussing about parts of a plant. Objectives: enumerate the parts of a plant, describe the function of each part of the plant, explain the importance of each part of the plant. What are plants? Plants are living organisms that are able to produce their own food through photosynthesis. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. They provide food and oxygen for many other living things. Question: what are the parts of plant? Leaf, fruit, root, flower, and stem. Roots. Roots are often found below the surface of the soil. They absorb water and nutrients from the ground. They also anchor the plant in place. Some roots store food and nutrients for the plant's growth. There are two main types of roots: taproots and the fibrous roots. A taproot has one main root that grows straight down. A fibrous root is shallow and spread out in many directions. Stems. Stems are found above the ground. They provide support to the plant by holding up leaves, flowers, birds, and fruits. They also transport water, nutrients, and minerals to different parts of the plant. Leaves. Leaves are flat and thin structures attached to the stem of a plant. They produce food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. They also help regulate the exchange of gases with the surroundings. Leaves may be simple or compound. A simple leaf is a leaf that has a single blade. A compound leaf has two or more distinct leaflets. Flowers. Flowers are characterized by their colorful petals and sweet fragrance. They attract pollinators like insects and birds that help in the transfer of pollens from one flower to another. This transfer of pollen leads to seed production. Fruits. Fruits are the parts of the plant that contain seeds. They protect the dispensed seeds. They also provide food for the animals. They are typically sweet or tart in taste and can be eaten raw or cooked. Some common examples of fruits include banana, oranges, and strawberries. Check for understanding: what is a plant? What are the parts of plant? What are the functions of each part of the plants? Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching Each and Catesville.